Okay, so firstly, if I talk about entertainment, it's the part of our life because no one can live without entertainment. But as far as I'm concerned, if you make your entertainment with something make kind of like for educative purpose, so it becomes more easy for you. Suppose if you're watching movies for your entertainment, but if you watch these kind of movies, through them you are not only entertain yourself, but you can learn something new, you can know any new perspective, so it improves your mind setting, it evolve your mind thoughts process. So that's my opinion, that whenever you entertain yourself, whenever you try to entertain yourself in any way, you have to see these forms or these ways of entertainment. Through them you can learn also something, like it's called a explicit way of learning. Yes. Mm-hmm.
Okay, you had said a great point. Yeah, entertainment helps in life because we can see that there are different persons. They were busy in their job, and many of the persons can't able to do certain activities.
Mm.
So they have taken some time to do some entertainment things. I know that there are the many things by which the person do entertainment, like they should watch the movies, also they listen the songs, as well as they play video game, and also they read the books. But unfortunately, the maximum of the Indian person watch TV for their entertainment purposes, and least of the persons were watching or reading books. So I think instead of watching TV, you also do reading books because they provide you knowledge, and it is better for your life also because you should know what was happening in the world, and you have the ideas of the different topics. So I think every person has some kind of entertainment, and like my I just like to watch movies, but it is good that the person having the ability to read books.
Hmm. That's good. And now I read some quote. I wanna quote it, that saying says that poor people always entertain themselves and intelligent people always educate themselves. So it completely asks that how can we tackle both things, like if you always entertain yourself, if you always try to make entertain yourself, it's not a good way. Because if you talk about dopamine, because I think if you are in science background, so you very well know about dopamine. Because what is dopamine? Dopamine released when we entertain ourselves, when we do anything which is very pleasurable for us, and we when we achieve that thing, so we release hormones which called dopamine. And if you release dopamine every time, each and every time, excessively, so it is not good for your brain. So what is the basic fundamental cause of releasing dopamine, which is that if you accomplish anything, if you accomplish any hard work, then dopamine release. Like suppose if you are preparing for any entrance exam and fortunately you crack it, then you will release your dopamine. It is the right way of releasing dopamine. But what happens nowadays, if you watch some movies, if you're watching some whatever you want, only for you easily release your dopamine, it is not a good way of releasing dopamine. So we have to think about that.
Yeah, this is a great point. Actually, I don't know about that hormone, but yeah, it's right. And we can know that the actually your theories was so good that the rich people educate themselves and the poor people just entertain. Yeah, because they don't know what they do. Actually, they don't know how to educate. And we can see that every time entertainment is that thing the person enjoys, and it is very hard to educate because whenever we are educating, but we have to feel like entertainment when we are doing something. So I think we have to change our abilities, change our interest, because I know that all the persons like the movies. I also like the movies. If I watch the movies the whole day, yes, I like it. But unfortunately, if I go for the different things like reading books or I go for playing outside, I don't like it much. But we have to change ourselves so that we can educate ourselves as we should know what are the things that is beneficial for our life. Like that, if anybody like preparing for the UPSC, so he had to work, he had to give his or her time for the studies instead of the entertainment. Yeah, it's fine that you can go for entertainment for the half and 1 hour in the life so that you don't have the pressure or stress in your mind. But it is not good that you are whole day you are just watching the movies.
Right, exactly. And you raise a good point that we can change our interest. Like suppose if you don't like workout, if you don't like doing exercise, so if you make your interest of working out or going to gym and doing workout there, and if you entertain yourself through them, so it is a good way. You can say you can kill two birds with one stone through them, because you
Yeah,
entertain yourself if you are doing workout, as well as you make your personality, you make your healthy as well. So it is the good way. So that is the good point, that we have to change our interest level, and we have to invest our time in our that kind of entertainment. Through them we can also learn something. It's called like smart entertainment.
Yeah. And starting, I know that we have some problems, like our mind is can't, so we have to revamp it. In starting, we should be, I think, hectic, but we have to start that thing. And we have, if we want to accomplish that thing, accomplish that mission, then we have to work hard for that. And in the starting, there were the problems in every work. So we have to change our every problems, every disaster into a new opportunity so that we can do.
Right. Exactly. And Monty, if I ask you that, what do you do to entertain yourself?
Okay, actually, I have a lot of things to entertain, but basically, to truth, I'm not a never read the books while for my entertainment. I just do play video games. I watch Hollywood movies as well as to play computer games. That is the main things that I do for my entertainment.
Okay, that's good.
And what are yours, Nabil?
If I talk about myself, I like traveling because whenever I exploring new places, it entertain me a lot. I really enjoying when I do it. And the second thing is like when I go to hang out with my friends, I also enjoy something because I like watching movies or some documentaries movies or some videos, but not much more because I think if you watch it, you will become a more habitual of it because I know my friends, they are completely waste their time only for watching videos on YouTube. So it is kind of addiction, you can say. So I have to confine myself. I just give myself only 1 to 2 hours to spend on YouTube or such these social media kinds because I like nature. I like to go outside. I like to playing tennis or I like to go to gym and doing workout there. I try to invest myself. I try to entertain myself through all these things.
Yeah, that's really great.
Yes. So,
Yeah, many
mhm.
time also when I was just stressed, I just do the dancing. I like dancing. That's why for many time that is also my purpose of entertainment. So it is not about that how perfect in the activity you are. Just if you want to entertain yourself, you have lot of things, and just you have to find that which thing is better for you. Whether you want to go for reading books, or you want to waste your time for watching the Hollywood movies all the day. So it's up to you, I think.
Exactly, exactly. So you have to firstly write it down, like what ways you should choose or apply for your entertainment.
Okay. Actually, if I want to change my entertainment purpose, first I just if I'm gonna change my entertainment purpose of reading books. Like I never liked reading, but starting I choose a habit of reading Hollywood movies like comics because it is also a book. Because I have the interest of watching Hollywood movies, so that I find the same interest in that book. And later I have to change that book level. Like now I'm gonna reading the fiction book, and later non-fiction. So I just change like this. And if I ever don't, mm, if I'm not going outside for the gym, so I'm just go outside. I just crack the jokes with my friends so that they guide me. That please do push-ups. So these are the things that also my friends help me in this life. So they also guide me and encourage me how to counter these things. Like I'm not going outside for playing anything, so just they help me. So I have to take the help of my friends also, so that in this time I'm just playing these video games. So in this time either you call me for the gym so that I have my buddy pair, and at that time I can do the gym.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's a good
that's
investment for you because I know some people they just wasted their time for playing PUBG or before sometimes making videos for TikTok. Now recently, it's all the things have have been banned, but people wasted their time only for these things. So I think it is if you really want to do it, you can just confine your time like half an hour or 1 hour maximum. Otherwise, you can go for dine out, hang out with your friends, or eat out if you want. Because nowadays, I am not suggest because it's the pandemic time is running on, so we have to confine ourselves at home. But otherwise, we have to try to go outside because nowadays we always spend our time at home each and every time because we have to take online classes. We have to do all the things at home. We always want to watching movies on laptop or mobiles, watching videos on mobile, but we don't try to go to outside. So we have to try to go outside because if you talk about our childhood, so we always try to go to outside. But in this time, if you talk about teenagers or below than teenagers, so they don't want to go to outside. It is also a bad thing for us, and it decrease or you can say deteriorate our physical fitness as well as mental fitness.
yeah, you're right. Due to this kind of technology, we can say that
Right,
in the childhood we can play the different games. We have a lot of childhood games in our streets,
right,
and but now no one want to come outside their home. now we can understand that this is the pandemic time, but before it, I don't think that in my colony, many of my friends, they were just like, they become the introvert due to the technology. In the childhood, they were so extrovert, they were coming out, cracking some jokes, and they will play games with us. But nowadays, they were not coming.
Yeah.
So I think the technology has changed ourselves. So I think we do. It is not required. The technology is changing us. We have to change ourselves. We have to control ourselves. That no, we don't want to do this activity for the 2 3 hours.
Exactly. Exactly, brother. So nice to conversation with you. I really enjoy to talk with you, and I also gain some knowledge through you because I it's 50 times, so I am gonna clear this meeting. So end up this meeting. I hope we will join again. Okay.
Yeah, it's nice to talk with you, Nabil.
Okay. Okay. Bye.